CapCut app missing on your iPhone after installing it from the App Store? This usually happens due to installation errors, hidden app settings, or software glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to find and restore CapCut app on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Use Spotlight Search. Look at your home screen. Here you can see the search option below. Tap on it. If you don't see this here, then swipe down on the home screen to open the search bar. Type CapCut. If the app appears in the search results, it means the app is still installed on your iPhone. You can open it from here or move it back to your home screen. Solution 2. Check App Library. Swipe left until you reach the app library. Now search CapCut. Here, look under the recently added or entertainment category. You can open CapCut from here, or drag it back to your home screen. So scroll all the way down. Here you will get hidden folder. In this folder, you will see the hidden apps. Just open it up. Solution 3. Turn off restrictions. Go to the Settings app, scroll down a little bit, tap on the screen time, now scroll down again, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now make sure to toggle it off. Solution 4. Reset home screen layout. Open the Settings app again, tap General, scroll down to the bottom, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Reset, then tap Reset home screen layout. Finally, tap Reset home screen. This will reset your home screen layout to the default settings and may bring back the missing apps. Hope your problem is fixed by now. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.